me nko amadwene mu no e wo se trotro ni trotro for the ma either an MPP or an NDC party no you be a or emranimfo
Osamo.
yes
and me say nkoma na me no be
you see say Ghana for no adwen no ne senior moto aba na esesa ho who say NDC those days no more propaganda secretary have you asked yourself didn't you make propaganda secretary in a free hall? Look, the name propaganda it depends how obviously for you no. But in the minds of every Ghanaian, no, onimsa propaganda the entronkwa no bicha. But the meaning of propaganda enyentro. Similar to akin and as synonymous to a PRO. It would say you are not only looking at the negatives of an institution now or representing or your positives in nkwa and nkwa na catch for. But the positives not so nye entro. That is white propaganda. Yes, white propaganda. It's positives no nyantro. You are odia won on share negatives no. Obi pa on ka negatives na fa ho. Na momo de ne say un say PRO de o share positive no negative. Na negative no kwan abefa so abe communicate na a positive. But propaganda the positives in kwan na we. But over years man for say say propaganda no. And omo yi free ho minim de nto omo yi free ho but my dream say e no come with no omo yi free ho. Say John secretary obetro
yeah
sometimes you ho asembe timi aba e wo se otro na o react and na otro defend it sometimes you be free legal team member bi kura na obi a busy but on here almost advice na dey atro ade no because unye expert or that field no un say every year political setup no and a construct no every secretary, una the chief executive of the party, the secretaries are more powerful than the chairman.
Yeah.
The secretary are always powerful. I say, in the case of NDC, no, unse sedun ketia ne Jenny be of na sra no money so powerful, but difficulty is also equally powerful. Yeah. But secretary they are powerful.
Structure.
It is a secretary no enyo bia or what that legal background no. Na say BBSC na say also follow on the legal team always ontimi preempt BB ana enye we BB ontimi enye action bi kura ansana chain legal team no reinforcement na ba the bia no party be catch in terms of reaction and then information flow etimi de me for me Lawyer Duku the minimum say no ye kotoko ho de na me ni nhia nti so me has ni
but you see he has been communicating for the party as well
anytime ya na person nim gu ase e wo no de say me has ni de me mom pipe ma say da bi eno de me yes akura de ana me nim has me ye so but honestly for me I think he should be the right person for the position. Okay. Because it's a secretary position. Okay. And you see, the point is that what's also war regional and your region. So it's pressure now also no eso. It for me the right person for NDC for no secretary idea should be him or any other lawyer.
Yeah. Maybe. But I say thank you. Evansinkum. I don't know. And he just say actually kunkum. Abono tofa. Abono tofa. Kro. I mean, you see, a argument ahun. Say never say can argument I mean me post flyer no. A honor will be the start. Many part of person test whether say me how secretary no adwuma tie and obisam say adenti na enye say secretary na any other person.
So can you must say time and react to that.
I react to that na dey. Dr. Samuel Free. Oh, may you nya fe
okay. Lawyer Duku bo Duku ayi.
Agenda wonye.
Oh, agenda cry ye.
Na woni mizamu aye me ho agenda.
Say mo boy sulia.
Kakre ono na wanya ye ntami ade.
Oh, but dey wie no say me man kasa kura na say ofanko be kasa na lawyer be fa me time kura me pe.
Ka pe ho.
Me pe.
Okay.
Because Lawyer Duku die. Lawyer Duku die. You say bia what here na make am. Me say we are aware of it say the party should reward him. The party members should reward this man because adwuma waya ma party ni pa legal issues ne enwema even some NDC
that's what can say also almost 70 and 90
70 lawyers
that dey no a copy mu Supreme Court say elections are won at the polling stations ono na regime on implementing that dey no ba
what say
lawyers college centers lawyers okay
because many 2 weeks
training omo ye man grow ayi omo agent ne ade
yes eti Sir John
yeah
me dear secretary ne dear me party be munukomu a they will be a wire loyal to the party why year Jumama party for years the commitment to the youth me about me student to be called home Friday or Thursday also no peno awunya no ko ni chambers na am say mo papa we ya mudi ni ho agro ya mo sorry ama hana you have to do something for him or a student or be kai say makwara bi ban ho be interview no about in the research and I make catch and say massa you people are in the party you are disturbing this man sir more reward na this time any come ye word pa ne Duku wa be chime
engineer krakra
ne kwakwa say let's reward the man.
Okay.
The man has been good to the party, has been loyal to the party.
Okay.
Inti omo onye na omo ntuma. Me a me campaign. O ko ba bia kra me.
And say we dey na campus na. No the campus.
Oh campus. O me ya campaign man. Ah me campus.
I see. Inti council.
Yes sir.
Say ya of our house so. Of our back kra na.
Say loyalty ya na hu hi.
Yeah.
Lawyer said in fact we feel our small this year pa. This bibi bana say say omo we are omo dey van say sikasem bia o osan akobre kura mo osan akobre kura mo but o hwa de ni na say etimi gina ya eboa o ma we say etimi hihye parties ni na party no say professional and etimi enhance democracy ni as a jana watra obi ade buga na efem na aba affect o man no nchichire ni na it is such a fine brain there so oba no aba be boy say ma kwanti
right me that say anti council you be the first phase we part 1 of your comedy me sure say brepem so no you be sign na you know why but na sakotoko say kotoko adwuma no
say me dey abawie
we dey abawie okay go be so concern message by and say
me dey abawie
we a lawyer now say kotoko adwuma now say emfa party adwuma ma wane just ade no
na wo ka say lawyer for adwuma endorse me say ma bie me chamber o Akoma high street of St. Edward's clinic Sarfo Duku legal consult na me adum lawyer for 15 no mo adwuma he also be party office
you see
and
the and say wo
say we party adwuma no there are men in place and women in place there abrebia no anyhow
okay
say you na party adwuma ya nyai e kokod na party for case ba so a is taking the priority
ba se kotoko so ba se bomo ibia
kotoko de se management jo mini management jo bibia se me ye no se friends say e case ya me ye na mini management ko so me am take upon myself am here what you say
okay
ndi kotoko ne ye dia tatene given time bia no when duty calls upon us ye be kwa koye
okay nti afuto be na de be man new management new management ba afuto be na de mom na enwie enye party
management say omo wachire no mo hu de lapses ya akoso nyina ndi omo correcting nyina na ye nyina enta omochi supporters no so no ye nyina enta omochi mo bi nka say me pe we yamfa na ma me pe we di no we don't worship individuals kotoko ne ye nyina ye dia pese ye yie ti ye nyina ka mo ne tiny board we ti a me gidi say we dey almost start na they are prepared to spend see akofa broni coach akofa director of football so broni abade na je say omo ye willing say omo dey investment ke say protect team no mama na kono set of akan no ama na more professional na de no akoyie no na ye nyina ye pe we kotoko ankoyie na party ko ye kwa no a ye mu bi no ye mu ba ye be gina e say nya no mi nyina because political party ko ye na football no so ko ye a na ni je na
wo da bia benya na
no me call prisons hono Kumasi prisons akwa ba ko me am duty was lawyer ana kotoko mo ye sa musa ni yetime ye ni jikakra wa ha da no prisoners ni nyina hu say kotoko ni ye yi a
o manage
impact o mo positively
okay council Yeah, that's the other.
Me dame of Amwa.
Yeah.
Any doctor free as any ngum.
Yes,
For their compliments.
Yes.
Me me timi nyame de.
Aye.
My yama boase mesum no de.
Yeah.
Mesum.
Yeah.
Na dako baby am obi an mo se me disappoint.
Yeah.
Omo.
Therefore, Lawyer Sarfo Duku and Motin in Canano.